Alright, how's it going there, YouTube? Well, had some serious activity going up here this morning. I finally got a chance to bring some stuff home, and I'm pretty sure you guys can figure out what I started with. Finally got some tractors in the shop here. I'm not going to show you guys the right just yet, because that 80 that I bought from Chrissy and Jordan Flood there a couple weeks ago, it's in the shop too as well, but I don't really want to show you guys that just yet. Maybe later in the video. But anyway, we've got the Heart Power home today. I pulled out of storage this morning. It had sat at a buddy of mine's place since I brought it home from Melton Steamer. I came home on the Sunday, and then the Monday I took it and put it in storage because I was moving and whatnot. I put some fresh fuel in it and some antifreeze. Look, there's on the ground there. Oh yeah, I made a mess. Anyway, I put some fresh fuel in it and gave it 2 pulls on the crank, and she's ready to go. I left it choking for a little while, of course. It's about -3 outside, and well, I don't usually run the tractor unless it's about 25 or 30 degrees outside, so surprisingly it started right up. So that's home. Now the other tractor I got here, well, it doesn't quite look as nice as that one. Bam. This is the new 80 I picked up. It's a 1941 model. I'll show you guys the serial number here. Now what I'm kind of planning on doing is I'm going to restore this one, because this 80, the 80s rather, replaced the 1828s. But I'm not sure which way I'm going to go with it just yet, because I am going to do either an Oliver conversion, so I might, that just entails changing up a rad tank to an Oliver one, and the serial number tape, which I'm pretty sure I've got somewhere. Of course, you paint it red, or green with red wheels. Or I restore it as a cock shut, and then we take the pair of them up to a show, and then it kind of shows the difference between the two tractors. I mean, although it's really not all that much. I mean, the 80's got a little bit taller of a radiator, higher compression. This one's got power takeoff. So it's a few little things, and of course an electric start. But really, I think this will be a good project for us because, well, what I was told is it will pop and sputter. There's no gas in there or anything right now, so I haven't tried to start it or anything. I bought it last weekend, shoved it in storage for a couple of weeks, and then I brought it here this morning. So right off the hop, we got a Euchre tire, but I think these are a 26-inch rim actually on these tractors. I think they're 11.9 or 12.6, 26 on these originally. So they're not too bad to pick up. I mean, they got lots of tread on them, but they're all weather checked and whatnot. So I am planning on restoring this tractor and take it around to the shows. And this one I'll put in the tractor pull. I mean, that one I won't pull because of the rear spokes, but this one I'll pull. I'll definitely let the 80 pull. We'll just have to get her cleaned up and painted and some tires on the back and get her to run nice. Now, once we get it running, we'll see what it does and if it burns any oil, and then if it needs an overhaul, we'll go from there. But for the most part, we'll see if we can get it to start first. I do have a lot of fuel. I'm gonna order some plugs and wires here. You can get these from Steiner still. These plugs are 7/8 thread. I think the mag's hot. But that's one of the difference between the 1820. The 1820's got the lever on it. This one has the magneto on-off switch. You always make sure it's off because you'll burn the points out of it. So yeah, another project for us. This is the tractor that I traded my cockshot. Well, I didn't trade the cockshot 40, but I parted with the cockshot 40 to get the 80. And well, you guys know me well enough on YouTube that I'd rather have the 80 anyway. I've been looking for one for a long time. It's funny, just noticed here now, if you zoom in on the Heart Power, you see the dust on the rad screen there? You can see where a show card was. So that must have been from Milton or Cookstown. I haven't really cleaned the tractor too much. Yeah, shop's been a mess, but I'm just moving stuff in. I haven't really got organized just yet. But anyway, if you guys like what you see, as always, please comment, rate, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.